Well, if you think about it, one thing that we might also do when we're writing our code is we might, even in things that are purely libraries, write an if name equals main block. Even if this code is never intended to actually be executed as a script, we might write an if name equals main block to give an example of how this code would look in its typical use. Because you've all used some kind of library, and there are a bunch of imports that were necessary that were clearly visible in an example you're looking at, and you're like, wait, where do I import this from? Is it from here? Is it from there? An example use case that actually runs, and that as part of your continuous deployment strategy can be run to make sure it's always up to date. Well, that's a great idea just to help out your users, because if they're scratching their head trying to figure out, wait, how's this supposed to work? Did they break this? Is this broken? They can look at your example code and say, well, hold on a second, the example code is broken. Maybe somebody made a change and they weren't supposed to commit that change to the main branch. They weren't supposed to merge that in just yet. This is incorrect. Or they can look at that and say, oh, okay, that's how it's supposed to work. I got it wrong overall. And so we might even have some example of a use case here just to illustrate for somebody how to use this.